Are you struggling to find quality CNC machinery and industrial accessories? With so many brands, price gaps, and poor after-sales service, making the right choice can be time-consuming and stressful. We understand your challenges, and we're here to offer solutions. With over 100,000 products, a complete supply chain network, and a comprehensive rating system for user feedback and testing, we save you valuable time. Our efficient logistics system ensures prompt delivery to your doorstep. ASIATOOLS, a one-stop platform for the CNC industry, aims to save your money and effort by sourcing the best products directly from manufacturers. We conduct factory visits to assess company strength, cutting out middlemen and price markups. Every product undergoes strict testing to meet our high standards before listing. We listen, analyze, and improve, constantly updating our standards based on market trends and user feedback. Our team values innovation and win-win collaboration, fostering mutual respect, trust, and cooperation. We embrace challenges, pursue excellence, and grow together. As an industry leader, we carefully select high-quality products to exceed user expectations. We gain insights into market needs with a new or innovative outlook to deliver excellent service experience. We not only keep up with the times but aim to lead the future. The strict quality control on every product is our sincere commitment to our users. ASIATOOLS makes industrial procurement easier, faster, and more reliable.